morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. We are doing spare ribs today. We marinated for 2 hours and grilled and baked in the oven for about 2.5 hours and finished on a grill. It's an absolutely mouth-watering, off-the-bone preparation. We love it. Let's get into the marination. In a bowl, let's add salt, black pepper powder, brown sugar, chili flakes, tomato ketchup, honey, garlic powder, and gochujang paste. This is a Korean chili paste full of flavors. It will never let you down. We will sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the ribs and keep it aside for 10 minutes. Going back to the marinade, finish with apple cider and mix really well. We now take the ribs and apply this very liberally on both sides. This will allow the flavors to really soak in and stick to the ribs. So don't be afraid, apply this really well on both sides because that's what will make this juicy, spicy, very flavorful. 1 hour of marination and 2.5 hours of baking at 200 degrees centigrade. What you now see is a really well cooked tender ribs. For the final flourish, let's add some more leftover marination and apply that well on both sides and flash grill this. This will take the ribs to a different level. The smokiness, sticky marinade is now on a class of its own. We are now ready to serve this any way you want. I used the farm's fresh cherry tomatoes and green peppers. Hope you guys like it. It's my favorite go-to grill in winters. Cheers!